All right, I had to take a second to record this. I've achieved my dream life. I sat down and I thought about it just now. Here's how today went. I woke up early, hit the gym. I walked to my apartment gym, which is super nice. I then came back, got some work done. I then went and got coffee with my best friend, who also is my editor, who happens to live here because I can afford to pay him enough to move here. We get coffee, I play with his dog for a little while, come back, then play with my new kitten, then get work done, got copy written for my clients. I then helped my CE guys with their copy as well. I made money while I slept with my low ticket copy school. Those people got results. I then went out and grilled my own lunch outside in the sun while sending DMs, like to get more clients for my stuff. I was sending outreach on my phone. Then I came back, took a break, played some Rocket League, then had a call with my guys in Copy League, which are just a bunch of insane info product killers. And we're all in Discord just nerding out about making money on online business. Then had a guy join Copy Lead, so received an upfront 2K payment. So overall made like 3K today. And then I just chilled, played more Rocket League, went for a walk, hung out with my wife, and then I had another one-on-one call with a guy in Copy Lead where we just sat down and hashed out his offer. That was incredible. And then because we were able to move to Charlotte, I'm actually close to my wife's family, so me and her little brother went and played pool and just hung out at the pool house for a while. Came back, eating dinner, about to just watch some Netflix and chill with my wife. I can't do anything but thank God. I mean, 2 years ago, I was college graduate with no plans, no strategy, no skills, no nothing. And I decided to just commit this passion I have for business to the Lord and just see where it takes me and just really try my best to honor him, to serve him, and to make amazing products that genuinely help people and to tell people about Jesus every step of the way that I can. And I'm not perfect by any means, guys, any means. But I just hope this is an example of when you commit your life to the Lord, the amount of joy and abundance you have, not money, not just money at all. In fact, money can be the opposite most times, but the true joy you have from just having a fruitful life with people who love you for who you are, friends and coworkers who you enjoy being around, a passionate mission that you're on every day that you can't wait to wake up and do. I'm just the most blessed man in the world. So I don't know. I just felt like I need to document this because it's crazy. It's crazy where we were a year ago, and now we're here. So thank you for being a part of that. And I pray that you get to experience the joy of the Lord in just a random day like I have today. So yeah, God bless. See you guys later.